The trial for the last YSL defendants could start as early as next year. This comes after a hearing today where the 5 defendants faced a judge, but as of now, only some of them will be going to trial. 11 Alive's Molly Oak joining us live outside the Fulton County Courthouse tonight. So, Molly, how many defendants could we see actually head to a trial next year?
Well, 4 defendants could be inside the courthouse behind me for a trial in February. That comes after 1 defendant took a negotiated plea today. Today in Judge Paige Whitaker's courtroom, 5 defendants heard this reminder.
That this will be your last opportunity to enter a negotiated plea in this case.
One of them did just that.
Mr. Farley is an HBCU graduate with no criminal record, and it's actually his marketing and his genius work as a businessman that even brought him into all of this, which is why we're asking the court to sentence us under Alford. In 2019, him and a friend created a clothing item, a hat that was like a satirical play on the Trump hat where it said "Make America Slime Again" instead of "Make America Great Again."
Miles Farley accepted a negotiated Alford plea on 1 charge, conspiracy to commit RICO, with his remaining charges dropped. An Alford plea is one where a defendant maintains his innocence but accepts a guilty outcome. Judge Paige Whitaker sentenced him to 5 years probation.
How you perform during the next 5 years of this probation is going to determine whether you finish that. A person who can say that they do not have any felony conviction, or whether you might be spending some time potentially incarcerated. So it's entirely up to you.
Remember, this all started with 28 defendants indicted in May of 2022. As for the other 4 defendants, today the state proposed a trial date for next year on February 24th. Once that trial starts, the state says it expects to take 3 months at most to rest its case. Now, there have been a lot of twists and turns and a lot to keep up with when it comes to YSL trials and hearings, so we've got the rundown for you lined up on 11alive.com. Reporting live in Atlanta, Molly Oak, 11alive.news.
Molly.